Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So this look is inspired from a picture that Priyanka Chopra posted on her Instagram. It's a very simple look, so let's get started. So basically the drill for applying the base makeup is the same in almost every case. So if you guys want to learn how to do the base makeup perfectly, we'll share a link in the description box below. You can go and check it out there. Also, all the products will be mentioned in the description box below, so you can find the details of what products we've used there. Dedicating this video to Priyanka Chopra as her wedding is approaching very soon, and this is to show her some love. Priyanka Chopra has gone for a heavy and a very well contoured face, so we'll be doing the same thing here as well. I've gone for a powder based contour for my cheekbones, for my forehead, for my jawline as well as for my nose. She has a very well contoured nose as you can see in the picture, so I've tried to achieve the same. In this look, I've applied very minimal amount of blush, so take some blush, dust off the excess and apply it to the apples of your cheek. Coming to the eye part, I've used the Huda Beauty palette. So starting with the lower lash line, I've taken the brown eyeshadow from the Huda Beauty palette and I'm applying it thoroughly. For the upper part of my eyes, I've taken the lightest brown shade on the Huda Beauty palette and I'm applying it only on the crease area. Taking a slightly more medium brownish shade and again I'm applying it only to the crease area. Finally, I'm taking the darkest version of the brown eyeshadow and applying it to the crease area again. The medium and the darkest version of the brown eyeshadows have been blended thoroughly in order to provide for a more transition look. Now I'm taking the black eyeshadow from the Huda Beauty palette. I'm applying it on my upper lid and I'm blending it thoroughly so that it's not seen as a very harsh line. Remember to blend in your darker brown eyeshadow as well as the black eyeshadow properly so that it provides for a smooth transition effect, and it should not look like there are two separate sections of eyeshadow that have been applied. I'm also applying some black eyeshadow exactly at my lash line. Now using the Maybelline Colossal Kajal and applying kajal to the lower lash line. Also remember to apply it to the upper lash line so that the look looks complete. Because curly eyelashes look the prettiest. For this look, false eyelashes, that is falsies, will not be used, but a lot of mascara is used. Remember to apply the mascara both to the upper as well as the lower eyelashes. Adding in some highlight to my nose and to my lips. Moving on, I will be using a very subtle nude lipstick. I hope you guys liked watching the video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and comment below. Until next time, bye bye.